loves, Steph here. Thank you so much for joining me today for this natural beauty enhancement hypnosis. Let's get started. Begin by just looking at something across the room. Just keep your eyes locked on whatever it is that you're gazing at. And as you do, take in a nice deep breath. And just exhale nice and slow. Just allowing your body to begin to relax, to release, to let go of all stress, all tension that you've been carrying. Go ahead and take in a nice deep breath. And as you exhale, just allow your eyes to close. Just continue to breathe in and breathe out, allowing each breath to help you relax more and more. That's right. Just continuing to breathe in and breathe out, just naturally, comfortably, and relaxing more and more. Just releasing all stress, all tension from your body. That's right. Any unwanted thoughts that come to your mind, just send away with an exhaling breath. Very, very well. Now, as you continue to breathe, I want you to imagine that there's this beautiful ball of light right above your head, and it is the color of peace and relaxation. And this ball of light begins to move and flow as though it were a form of a liquid relaxation. And it begins to flow down into your head. And it relaxes every muscle, every nerve, every cell that it flows through, releasing all stress, all tension, all doubt. Just telling your mind you want it to relax now, and so it does. And that liquid relaxation continues to flow down your forehead, relaxing your forehead. Flows down through your eyes, and you feel your eyelids relax, the tension release, flowing down your cheeks, relaxing you more and more. And then the liquid relaxation flows into your jaw, relaxing your jaw. That's right. And you already feel more calm, more peaceful, more relaxed. And that liquid relaxation continues to flow down your throat, through your shoulders, and flows down through your arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers, relaxing you more and more. And that liquid relaxation flows down your back, relaxing every muscle, every nerve, every cell. And you go deeper and deeper down. Very well. And that liquid relaxation flows down into your chest and your stomach. And you breathe deeper, releasing more doubt, more stress, more tension, releasing any resistance to relaxing so deeply, so completely. That's right. And that liquid relaxation flows down your pelvis, down your hips, your thighs, your legs, flowing through your knees, your calves, your ankles, all the way to the tips of your toes. That's right. And it feels so good to relax. This wonderful liquid relaxation is now flowing all the way from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And it feels so relaxing, so soothing, so peaceful. And in just a moment, I'll begin to count down. As I do, allow your level of relaxation to double. Want that to happen. Allow that to happen. 5, going deeper and deeper down. 4, feeling so calm, so peaceful. Just releasing all stress, all tension, all doubt. 3, relaxing more and more, knowing that you're ready to let your natural beauty enhance, to flow through you, to experience a natural, incredible, thrilling glow up. 2, going deeper and deeper down. 1, deeply, completely relaxed now. Very, very well. You are now ready to have your glow up, to be able to feel your beauty and see your beauty enhance naturally, to become more aware of your beauty, to unlock your beauty, and to release, let go, remove, resolve, delete anything in the way of your beauty naturally enhancing. And since you are now ready to naturally enhance your beauty, I'm going to ask your subconscious to release any resistance to feeling more beautiful and seeing yourself as more beautiful. Just releasing, deleting, clearing, uncreating, resolving, removing, letting the resistance go. Let the resistance go. Let the resistance to your beauty go. Very, very well done. Now I want you to imagine that there is this incredible screen right in front of you. It is like a movie screen, and it is 6 feet in front of you, and it is so large, and as you look up about 20 feet, you notice this incredible movie screen. Make sure it is as big as it could possibly be. It is so huge. And the movie you're about to see played on this movie screen is in color. And you can hear the sound, you can feel the emotion. It feels very alive. It feels like you are witnessing creation in itself. So as you notice this movie screen, pay attention to how the future you shows up on this movie screen. You in the future arrives so beautifully on this movie screen, and you can see all the color. You can feel the emotion as you see yourself as the most beautiful version of yourself on this screen. You feel the delight, the joy, the bliss, the gratitude, the happiness, the beauty. You feel your beauty. You see your beauty. It is undeniable. It is undeniable on this huge movie screen in front of you. And as you look at this movie screen that holds the future you, pay attention to all the colors, to what you're wearing, to who you're with. Really, really zoom in on how you're feeling as you see the future you. Notice how radiant you are, how beautiful your skin is, your hair is, your eyes are, your smile is, the way you move your body, the clothes you wear, your attitude, your energy, your presence, all add to your beauty, to your glow up. So now just take a moment and see yourself, visualize yourself on this movie screen as the most beautiful version of you, and be very clear on what that means to you. And if you want help visualizing, just take a moment and just let yourself describe to yourself what you're seeing, what your glow up looks like, what your natural beauty enhancement looks like. Pay attention as the future, beautiful, gorgeous, fabulous you unfolds on the screen in front of you. Very, very well done. Now that you've seen all the details of your enhanced beauty, now imagine that someone that you believe to be very wise, all-knowing, perhaps it's your highest self, and now imagine that they arrive on your movie screen, and they are here to give you guidance, wisdom, information on what you can do to help achieve this glow up, to help naturally enhance your beauty. So just take a moment now and receive the wisdom being provided to you from this source that you believe to be wise and all-knowing. Very, very well done. Take a moment now and thank the source for their wisdom, for their guidance. And now as you see yourself back on that huge movie screen and you visualize the future version of yourself with enhanced beauty, make a commitment to yourself to apply the wisdom, the guidance you received today so that you can naturally enhance your beauty. And that could be something as simple as drinking more water, getting more rest, meditating, moving your body, being out in nature, receiving your vitamins and minerals, eating in a way that supports you, deciding to buy yourself clothing that you feel beautiful in, or taking care of your skin in a way that helps you feel beautiful, and so that you could see your beauty. Perhaps it is even changing the way you talk to yourself, giving yourself words of love and support and encouragement, giving yourself kindness, appreciation, gratitude, love, self-care, speaking to yourself in such beautiful, loving ways, forgiving yourself for any mistakes you've made in the past and any mistakes you'll make in the future. So really decide that from this moment forward, you will play around with and make changes and experiment with ways that feel really good to you, so that your beauty can naturally enhance and you can be the radiant, beautiful, glowing version of yourself that you know you can be. Beauty is yours to have. For my friend, you're already so incredibly beautiful, and once you can see your beauty and feel your beauty, you unlock some more potential that your soul is excited for you to experience. Your beauty is already within you, so unlock it, unleash it, see it, feel it, let it be. Taking in a nice deep breath, and in a moment, I will bring you back from this experience, knowing that change is happening, that every single day you are becoming more and more beautiful. You feel more beautiful. You see your beauty. You are naturally enhancing your beauty by taking care of yourself, by loving yourself, by giving yourself the permission to see your beauty, to be beautiful, and to understand that beauty comes in many forms, and you are one of them. 1. Feeling returning to your fingers and toes, knowing that you are now in progress of your natural, beautiful glow up. 2. All energies in complete balance, feeling in energetic alignment to the most beautiful version of yourself. 2. Knowing you've released any resistance to naturally enhancing your beauty and allowing yourself to have your glow up. It is your time to glow, to be radiant, to feel beautiful, and to see your beauty every day in so many ways. 4. Feeling as though your eyes have been bathed in cool, clear water. Feels so refreshing, so delightful. 5. Eyes open, fully awake, refreshed, recharged, feeling beautiful, knowing that your beauty is increasing, is enhancing right now in this moment and every single moment forward. You are beautiful already, and now it is time to just enhance it naturally, effortlessly, happily, joyfully. Beauty is yours to have, for you are already beautiful. I'm Steph. Thank you so much for joining me for this hypnosis today. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so we could go on more wonderful, healing, empowering journeys together. Say it with me. I am enough. I am special. I am beautiful. I make a difference. I matter. My life is important. Beauty is mine to have. And I am a beautiful soul, person, body, and mind. Have an incredible rest of your day. I am sending you endless love. Until next time. Bye.